The citizens' dedication was evident. So इसकी relative clause होगा, the board was composed of citizens whose dedication was evident. So it's referring to the citizens' dedication. Second example is James. James' father is the president of the company, has received a promotion. So अब आप कैसे बताएंगे? James, whose father is the president of the company, has received a promotion. So the word whose is referring to the that James' father. So आपने James' father में James को आपने noun को replace कर दिया with this relative noun which is whose, because आप यहाँ पे possession show करें तो it comes with the word whose. Another example is John found a cat. The cat's leg was broken. So we are talking about the leg of the cat. As the result, इसका relative clause बनेगा John found a cat whose leg was broken. Since we are talking about the leg of the cat, तो इसको हम replace कर देंगे और refer करेंगे with the word whose. For example, Harold. Harold's car was stolen last night. Is at the police station. So अब आप यहाँ पर इसका relative clause construct करेंगे. Harold, whose car was stolen last night, is at the police station. So instead of again repeat करें कि Harold car, you just mention the word whose and it's referring कि you're talking about Harold's car. Since it's about the possession, so you replace it with the word whose. Another example. The company's employees are on strike, is closing down for 2 weeks. So अब आप किस relative clause construct करेंगे? The company whose employees are on strike is closing down for 2 weeks. So it's about whose is referring to the employees of a company. So instead of mentioning the word a company again, you just replace it with the word whose, because we are talking about the employees about the company. So आपने पहले company mention कर दिया, आप दोबारा उसको मैं कंपनी मेंशन करने की बजाय आप सिर्फ whose मेंशन कर दें, तो इट इज शोइंग दैट द एम्प्लॉइज यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इज रेफरिंग टू द सेम कंपनी यू स्पोक इन द फर्स्ट क्लॉज. Furthermore, the dentist is with the child. The child's teeth are causing some problem. To make a relative clause, the dentist is with the child whose teeth are causing some problem. So it's about the teeth of a child. So आपने child को repeat करने के बजाय आपने इसको refer कर दिया with the word whose. Question. Next example is the president. The president's advisors have quit, is giving a press conference. So to make a relative clause, the